10+2 stream and who are opting for CBSE, right? So let us start with the first question, children. The first question here is, this question is from inequality, children. So let us try to solve this problem. Here the inequality is given to you, children. This is x plus 1 upon x plus 2 and this is greater than or equal to 1. So just in first step you subtract 1 from both sides, right? Just subtract 1 from both sides. So I am subtracting 1 from here and I am subtracting 1 from here, and you just simplify it further. This is x plus 2. Here we are getting x plus 1 minus bracket x plus 2. You can take x plus 2 as an LCM, and here we are getting 0. If you simplify it further, children, we are getting here x plus 1 minus x minus 2 upon, here we are getting x plus 2, and here we have the inequality greater than or equal to 0. You just cancel this with this. We are getting here minus 1 upon x plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Children, it will be possible only when the value of this x plus 2 is less than 0, right? Value of this is less than 0. What does it mean? It means the value of x should be less than minus 2. So what does it mean? That we have this interval, solution set lies in this interval minus infinity to minus 2. You just think like this also. Suppose we have a number line this is your 0, and here we have minus 2. Here we have minus 2. If you try to draw a graph, children, this graph comes to be like this, right? This graph comes to be like this. Actually, it goes to minus infinity, right? And here it goes like this. This is your minus 2. So the solution set for this is minus infinity minus 2, children. Okay. Children, let us start with your next question, where he says a man can row 6 kilometers in still water. So here in this question you can say that speed of man in still water is given to you, right? Speed of man in still water, that is given to you. So what is that speed, children? Could you tell me? That is 6 kilometers per hour, right? Now he says it take him twice as longer time as to row up as to row down. Okay. Now time taken, so you can say here that time taken to go upstream, you can say that to go downstream. See, let the time be t. Then children, the time taken to go upstream, right? Upstream. So that time will be 2t. He says like this. Now you can see here, let speed of stream, speed or rate of stream or speed of stream. So I am taking here the speed of stream as s kilometer per hour, right? So you can understand one thing here from here. Let us see this diagram. This is down the stream, this is up the stream, right? Now suppose this time is t, here he says this time is 2t. This is one thing. Secondly, now speed of stream is s. So automatically when this person will go down the stream, then actual speed will be s plus 6. But down the stream, but up the stream, children, because water is coming down and a person is going up, what does it mean? This stream and the person both are coming down, but here the stream is down, but this person is moving up. You just see, right? So here in this case, the speed will be s6 minus x, right? So according to the question, you can say here, according to the question, what we can do here, children? Could you tell me that here this is 6 minus s into 2t, that should be equal to s plus 6 into t, right? Now if you cancel this t with this t, you get 6 minus s into 2 is equal to s plus 6. You just simplify it further, you get 12 minus 2s is equal to s plus 6. Just simplify it further, 12 minus 6 is equal to s plus 2s, or you are getting here 6 is equal to 3s. From here you can find s, that comes out to be 2, right? So speed of stream is 2 kilometer per hour, right? So this is your question number 2, children. Let us go through another question here. That question is specially from integration, children. Here we have to integrate this log x upon x dx. Children, in such a question you can take substitution, right? Substitution method. So I am taking here log x is equal to t. If you differentiate it both sides, you are getting 1 upon x dx is equal to dt, right? I am differentiating it, right, with respect to x. So we are getting this thing. So if you simplify it further, you see here this log x we can put t, and this is 1 upon x dx, you can put dt. So if you simplify it further, you are getting 2 plus 1, right? This is 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1. You know the formula of integration is x raised to power n dx. The formula is x raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c, right? Plus c, right? This one. So we are applying this formula here. So we are getting this is 1 by 2 t square plus c. So you just put the value of t here. We are getting 10. We are getting here, this is not 10, children. Here we are getting half. The value of t here is log x. So I am putting here, this is log x square plus c. So you just check out the answer. The answer to this question is the B part. Likewise, let us go through this another question, children. This question is from matrices actually. If A is a square matrix, this is given to you such that A square is equal to PA, then you have to find the value of P. This is again a very easy question, children. See, you should know how to multiply the matrix. So I have here, this is 2 minus 2 minus 2, 2, right? So if you want to find A square, you do the multiplication of A into A. Just to simplify it further, 2 minus 2 minus 2, 2, and here we are getting 2 minus 2 minus 2, 2. You just simplify it further, children. We are getting 2 2s are 4 plus, this is minus minus plus, right? Now you do like this here, this is minus 4 and this is again minus 4. Now this into this is minus 4, this into this is minus 4, this into this is 4, this into this is plus 4. So you know how to multiply two matrices. So here we are getting 8 minus 8, and here we are getting minus 8, 8, right, children? Now see, you can go here. So what is given to you here? You have given here A square is equal to PA. Nothing to do, put the value of this here. This is 8 minus 8, this is minus 8, 8. Here you are getting P, and here the value of A you can put from there. This is minus 2, 2. Just simplify it further. If you simplify it further, you are getting, children, 8 minus 8 minus 8, 8. Here you do it further. This is 2p minus 2p minus 2p. This is 2p. So now you just see, this 8 is equal to minus 2p. So 8 is equal to 2p. From here you can find the value of p as 4, right? You can cut it. So you can find from anywhere, you will get 4. So this is again an easy question, children. We have another question here where he says that this is a square matrix, then find a plus b plus c. Let us do this question, children. This is again a very simple question. See, so first of all, you should know what is skew-symmetric matrix. Just write down that a matrix is said to be symmetric if A transpose is equal to A, and skew symmetric if A transpose is equal to minus A. This is the only basic you have to understand here. So now you have a matrix given here. This A is given to you. So what is A here? This is 0, A, 3. You have 2 here. You have B, minus 1, C, 1, 0, right? So you just find its transpose. Transpose means, children, converting rows into columns. We are getting here 0, A, 3. Here we are getting 2b minus 1, and here c1 0, right? So now according to the question, this question is skew symmetric, therefore A transpose is equal to minus A. So we are writing this value here. This is 0, 2, C, this is A, B, 1, this is 3, minus 1, 0, and this is equal to nothing, is equal to minus A. So this is minus sign. A, you can put the value from there. This is 0, A, 3. Here you are getting 2, B, minus 1, and here C, 1, 0. You just simplify it little bit further, children. We are getting here 0, 2, C, A, B, 1, 3, minus 1, 0, right? Here you can multiply, children. So we are getting 0, minus A, minus 3. This is minus 2, minus B, 1, minus C, minus 1, 0. Okay. Now you just compare these entries. See here, this 2 is equal to minus A. So 2 is equal to minus A. So this implies A is equal to minus 2. Now you take this entry, children. Here this B is equal to minus B. So B is equal to minus B means 2B is equal to 0, implies B is equal to 0. And you take another entry, this minus C is equal to 3. So you have minus C is equal to 3. So C is equal to minus 3, children. So you have to find here A plus B plus C. You can easily find A plus B plus C. So A here is, you can see A is minus 2, B is 0, C is minus 3. Answer comes out to be minus 5. Again a very easy question, children. If you try to solve it, you can easily find its solution. So I don't think there is any problem. Now let us start with this is another question here. Here in this question, children, we can again see you have a man row 15 kilometer upstream, and here 15 kilometer downstream in 5 hours. So you have to find the speed of the stream. So you can use here a simple method. I think you can apply here a unitary method also easily. See, when B runs 15, okay, now here in this question, see, you can apply a very simple formula. Just I am writing the formula here in this question. Speed of stream. Speed of stream is nothing, that is half uh, downstream speed, downstream speed minus upstream speed. Okay, okay children, like this formula you can apply directly. So this is half. Now you see here, what is downstream speed? That is 15, right? This is so here in this case actually you have to find speed. So upstream, this is downstream, so this is 25 upon 5, right? And upstream is 15 upon 5, right? You know that the formula is speed is equal to distance upon time. So this distance is 25 upon 5, right? So you just simplify it further, you are getting 5, here you are getting 3, and answer comes out to be half multiply 2. You just cancel out. So speed of the stream is 1 kilometer per hour. This is a very easy question again, children. Now we have another question here. This question you can simplify it. Easy question, children. Here a man can run 40 meters while B can, yeah, here you can apply unitary method. Okay, let us do this question. Easy question here. 40 meter and B 50 meter. So you can say when B runs 50 meter, when B runs 50 meter, A runs is equal to 40 meter. Okay children, this is given to you. So when B runs 1 meter, then A runs 40 over 50, okay, meter, means 4 upon 5 meter. Now when B runs, see we are taking here now 1000 meter, then A runs, this is 4 upon 5 into 1000, right? So now if you just simplify it, 200, so we are getting here 800 children, right? 800 meter. Now you can see, so B, distance traveled by B is 1000, and A that is 800. So you can say here B is ahead. B is ahead of A. By how much distance children? This is 1000 minus 800. So you can see answer to this question is 200 meter. Again a very easy question to tackle. I think you can understand it. We have another question here children, that is from integration. Again a very easy question children, nothing to do. Here you have to integrate this number x cube x plus 2 dx. See, you might have done division in your lower classes. I am just dividing x cube with x plus 2. So you take here x square, we are getting x cube plus 2x square, just subtract it, cancel out, we are getting minus 2x square. Then you can do it by minus 2x, just simplify it further, this is minus 2x square minus 2x, right, like this. So if you do it further, you are getting 2x, then put a sign plus 2 here, you get 2x plus 4. So we are getting minus 4. So here children, you can see here, you know that dividend dividend over divisor is equal to quotient plus remainder over divisor. Very simple techniques. Suppose you are dividing 7 with 2, you are getting this. So you are getting 1. So this is nothing. 7 upon 2 is nothing. 3 plus 1 upon 2, right? So likewise we can do the same technique here. What does it mean? That x cube upon x plus 2 is nothing. Here we have the quotient here, q. This is q. This is remainder. This is remainder r. This is divisor. So you can write here. What you can write, children, here? X square minus 2x plus 2 plus what is the remainder? 4. What is divisor? X plus 2. Do nothing now. If you want to integrate, just integrate now. See, I'm integrating now. So you want to integrate this. So you can simply integrate this, children, right? You can do this integration separately. I don't think there is any problem with that. And further, if you simplify it, this is x cube over 3. This is minus 2x square upon 2. This is 2x minus 4. This is log x plus 2 plus c you should put here. So this is the answer to your this question. This is again a very easy question, children. You can simplify. Here we have another question, children, and this question is from multiplication. Actually, many of you might have gone through the product rule of integration. Product rule of integration is first function into integration of second function minus differentiation of first function into integration of second function, whole integration, children, whole integration plus c. This is the formula you have to apply. One more thing you should know, that is called ILATE. I-L-A-T-E. What is I here? This is inverse, L for logarithmic, A for algebraic, T for trigonometric, and E for exponential. This is a trick to identify that which one of them is a first function, right? So here you see this logarithmic. This is logarithmic and algebraic. So preference should be given to logarithmic. So this is first function, this is second. You can say this is u, this is v. So we can apply this formula here directly. See, just I am applying the formula directly. We are getting here first function. So integration x square plus 1 log x dx, that is nothing, first function into integration of second function. See, I've done it wrong. Okay, I'm doing here. This is first function into integration of second function, like this, right? And further, this is minus sign. Then I am doing the differentiation of log x multiply. I am doing the integration of x square plus 1 dx. Then I am doing this whole integration, children, whole integration like this plus c, right? So you just simplify it further. You are getting here, this is log x. Integration of this part, you know, this is x cube upon 3 plus x. This is minus sign. Here integration of this log x is nothing, 1 upon x. And here you can write this result directly. This is x cube over 3 plus x, right, and dx plus c. So you just simplify it further. We are getting here x cube upon 3 plus x log x minus, children, you can take you can simplify it further. We are getting 1 by 3. Here you are getting x square dx. X cancel out with x, you are getting 1 dx plus c. See, if you simplify it further, we are getting here x cube over 3 plus x log x minus, here we are getting x3 over 9 minus x plus c. This is the answer to your this question, children. I hope you have understood it. We have another question here. Children, he says find the integrating factor. This is again a very easy question. How to do it? See, you have a question here, x dy over dx plus 2y is equal to x cube. So the first step is you just divide it by x throughout. So we are getting here 2 upon x y is equal to x square, children, because x cube, x cancel out. So now you compare this with this equation, dy over dx plus py is equal to q. Now children, here p is equal to 2 upon x and q is equal to x square. So the formula for integrating factor is e raised to power p dx. So you can do it, e raised to power, what is p here? 2 upon x dx. Simplify it further, 2 comes out, we are getting 1 upon x dx. Do it further, 2 log x. Do it further, this 2 goes there, we are getting e raised to power log x square. E and log cancel out. So integrating factor is, this is the answer to this question. Sometime he may ask you to find the solution, children. Solution to this. So solution is y into integrating factor is equal to q into integrating factor dx integration plus c. This is the formula. So if you want to find this solution to this question, then see the value of q here is, q is x square, right? And integrating factor is x square, right? Here integrating factor is yeah, integrating factor is x square, right? X square dx plus c. So if you simplify it further, this is y into x square is equal to x 4 plus 1, 5 upon 5 plus c. But he is asking to find the integrating factor only. There is no need to find the solution. So answer to this question remains this, children, right? This is the answer to this question. So I hope now I have done a few questions of commercial mathematics, children. So I think you have understood it. If you found this uh, help important, or you think it is beneficial for you, then subscribe my channel and share it with the other children also, so that they could be benefited from it. I hope you will enjoy learning mathematics. So keep on learning mathematics, keep on enjoying your life, children. Okay, thank you.